Firstly, link all electric and pneumatic supply. Install the vertical clamp and the auxiliary arm. Pay special attention to it that bracing column must precisely point to the center of the turntable. Then fix tight the screws. Demounting tile. Press the tile from the ring to its minimum diameter position with pedal. Depress the clamp tilting pedal. Vertical clamp will tilt back. Select made, outside stick or inner attach. Take care for protecting ring. Extend the joist to a position a bit wider than the ring diameter. Place the wheel on the turntable. Let the pressing column press down the ring. Depress the clamping pedal twice to clamp the wheel ring firmly in place. Meanwhile, lift up the press column. Adjust right help arm height. Press tile with pressing disc a suitable position. Press reverse pedal. Rotate the turntable to detach the bit from the ring. Lubricate tile and ring. Step pneumatic reverse pedal. Make tilting arm recover. Adjust the demounting head beside the rim in a suitable position. Look the mounting head above rim 2 to 3 mm to it. Adjust the rule of right help arm and the demounting head. Press tile, then insert lever into tile. Move ruler away after finish. The contact lining O of left help arm. Move the bead opposite to the mounting head. Press tile with bead brake to the side as rim diameter. Raise tile with lever above the mounting head. Rotate turntable. Detach bead from the rim. Move big loading plates of both left and right auxiliary arms at the same time to the underneath tile and lift it up. Demount tile low side. Step pneumatic tilting pedal. Make tilting arm. Take up the tile and continue to demount the other side of wheel with lever. Mount tile. Firstly, lubricate the tile and steel ring. Take tile on ring. Step pneumatic back pedal. Make tilting arm recover. Press the tile below the mounting head with roll of right auxiliary arm. Move the left auxiliary arm beside the mounting head. Press the tile with its roll of minimum diameter position of the ring. Step reverse pedal. Rotate turntable. Push the roll by hand to move along with the turntable. Rotate until the tile is completely mounted. Finally, in-flight tile foot.